Have you ever wondered if there's someone, somewhere, who's a perfect match for you, your soulmate? This concept, the idea of an ideal partner, is as old as time itself. It's a topic that has sparked countless debates, conversations, and even controversies. The enigma of soulmates, the mystery that surrounds it, has intrigued humanity for centuries. The term soulmate is often thrown around in casual conversation, but what does it truly mean? Is it a divine connection, a predestined meeting of two souls? Or is it simply a romanticized notion, a fabrication of poets and storytellers? The existence of soulmates is a subject of debate among various belief systems and philosophies. Some argue that soulmates are indeed real, while others dismiss them as mere fantasy. This disparity of opinions only adds to the intrigue. It spurs us to question, to explore, to seek answers. Are soulmates real, or are they just a romantic fantasy? Let's dive deeper. Picture this: two people living continents apart, yet destined to cross paths. Our tale begins with Amelia, an artist from the heart of New York, painting her dreams onto canvas with vibrant strokes. Across the Atlantic, in the romantic city of Paris, we have Jacques, a poet, weaving words into tapestries of emotion and longing. Two individuals, two different worlds, yet bound together by an invisible thread of destiny. Amelia, with her fiery spirit and love for freedom, painted the world in hues of her heart's desire. Every stroke on her canvas was a journey into her soul, a testament to her passion. In contrast, Jacques, a man of words, found solace in the rhythm of poetry. His verses echoed his deepest thoughts and painted a picture of his heart's yearning. Their worlds were as different as day and night. Amelia's art was a riot of colors, expressing her free spirit, while Jacques' poetry was a symphony of emotions, reflecting his introspective nature. Yet, both sought something more, something beyond their art, a connection that touched the soul. As fate would have it, Amelia's paintings caught the eye of a French art collector who was a dear friend of Jacques. Inspired by her work, Jacques penned a poem, weaving his words around the emotions he felt while gazing upon her art. This poem found its way back to Amelia, who, upon reading it, felt a profound connection with the stranger behind these words. They began corresponding, their letters filled with shared passions, dreams, and thoughts. Despite the miles separating them, they found a deep understanding, a resonance that neither of them had experienced before. Their connection transcended physical distance, bridging their worlds and intertwining their lives in ways they never imagined. This tale of Amelia and Jacques is not just about finding love, it's about finding a soulmate, a kindred spirit. Their story is a testament to the profound bond that transcends physical boundaries, cultural differences, and societal norms, a bond that touches the very core of our being. Their journey shows that soulmates aren't just about romance, but also about a deep, unexplainable connection. But what does science say about soulmates? Is there any evidence to support their existence? The concept of soulmates has been a topic of intrigue not just for poets and romantics, but also for scientists. While science might not fully corroborate the idea of two people destined to be together, it does offer some fascinating insights into love and attraction. Psychology, for instance, provides a perspective that resonates with the notion of soulmates. The theories of interpersonal attraction and similarity attraction suggest that we are drawn to those who share similar attitudes, values, and backgrounds. Perhaps this is why when we meet someone who mirrors us in ways more than one, we feel an inexplicable connection, almost as if we've known them forever. But it's not just about shared interests or backgrounds. Our genes and biology play a significant role too. Research reveals that our body releases pheromones, chemical signals that can attract potential mates. Some scientists believe that we are unconsciously attracted to individuals whose genetic makeup complements ours. So when you feel an irresistible pull towards someone, it might just be your genes whispering, "This is the one." Now, let's delve into the realm of neuroscience. Ever heard of neurological soulmates? This concept posits that love is a result of the unique interaction between two people's brain circuits. In other words, when you and your partner's neural pathways interact in a certain way, it can create a bond that feels like a soulmate connection. But what about those couples who seem to know what the other is thinking or feeling? Well, psychology has a term for that too: empathic accuracy. It's the ability to accurately read your partner's thoughts and emotions. Over time, as couples grow more attuned to each other, this empathic accuracy can deepen, making them feel like they're two halves of a whole. While science may not fully endorse the concept of soulmates, it certainly doesn't dismiss the possibility. So the next time you feel a deep connection with someone, remember it might not just be the stars aligning, but also your genes, brain circuits, and shared experiences whispering, "This could be your soulmate." Throughout history, the idea of soulmates has fascinated philosophers, poets, and thinkers. The concept of soulmates has been intricately woven into the fabric of our existence, permeating various philosophical and spiritual beliefs. In the realm of philosophy, Plato envisioned soulmates as two halves of a whole, yearning for reunification. The Eastern philosophies, on the other hand, often speak of karmic connections, where souls are bound by the threads of past actions and experiences. When we venture into the spiritual domain, the idea of soulmates takes on a more ethereal form. Many spiritual traditions propose the existence of twin flames, two souls emanating from the same divine spark, destined to find each other. Religions around the world also lend their voice to the soulmate discourse. From the Jewish belief in Bashet, a predestined match, to Hindu marriage rituals invoking divine pairs, the concept of soulmates is universally acknowledged. Soulmates thus hold a significant place in our collective consciousness, transcending the boundaries of time and culture. So, are soulmates real, or are they a figment of our romantic imagination? This is the question we've been exploring, delving into the enigma of soulmates, the tales of two hearts intertwined, the science that attempts to explain it, and the philosophy that fuels our belief in them. We've journeyed through the narratives of star-crossed lovers, examined the intriguing science behind the magnetic pull of two souls, and pondered over the profound philosophies that have been at the heart of our beliefs for centuries. And while we've tried to unravel this complex tapestry of love and connection, we've also realized that perhaps the essence of soulmates isn't something to be dissected and understood, but rather felt and experienced. It's a personal journey, a unique exploration for each one of us. So, we encourage you to form your own opinion based on the information provided. Whether you believe in soulmates or not, one thing is certain: the quest for love and connection is a universal human experience.